ये बच्चा इस साल हाफिज भी हुआ है, इसकी दस्तार बंदी होगी। इंग्लिश में आप हज़रात के सामने तकरीर पेश करेगा।
Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. I am Muhammad Hamza. I am a student. I am studying in Madrasa Darul Quran Siddiq village Malakpur district Shamli. I stand here today to talk about one of the essential personalities of the world. And I am very proud to say that the personality is a woman. And I am even more proud to say that she was Indian. She has inspired not only Indians but also millions of people across the world. Passion, compassion, and devotion were the qualities of that terrific personality. Humanity, charity, and simplicity were the state of that iconic personality. She was the ambassador of love, peace, and charity. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is no surprise that mothers care their children, mothers love their children, mothers sacrifice their lives for children. But ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about a special woman. A woman who had no children, who was not married, yet she was the mother of poor children. She was the mother